Hi everyone, welcome to Online Tech University. Now let us see how to backup your iPhone or iPad in macOS Catalina using Finder. Let me see the what version installed in this Mac. So I have installed macOS Catalina already. If you have installed macOS Catalina, then you don't need any other software like iTunes to backup your iPhone. So we can do the backup using your Finder. Go to the Finder. Before that, connect your iPhone using like cable, lightning cable or USB cable. Once you connect it, you will see the iPhone in the Finder. The Catalina macOS Catalina opens this window. It has a lot of features. We are going to talk about backup, right? So you select this backup, your most important data on your iPhone to iCloud, and these are the default settings. The uh, encrypt local backup is not selected by default. You go to select it. Actually, when you select it, it will ask for the password, and you enter the password. Actually, like so I have already entered the password. You enter the password, then your sensitive data is encrypted. After that, you can click backup now. Then the data is backed up in your Mac. So when you click backup now, you can see that it is preparing. Once the preparation is over, it will take the backup. Once the backup is completed, you will see the date lost backup to this Mac today, like whatever the date and time. I have backed up today 3 p.m. So it is showing that time. So this is how you will be able to back up your iPhone or iPad. In case your iCloud is full, you got to back up in your Mac to have your latest data saved. Otherwise, if there is any problem in your phone, then you cannot get your data and iPhone app settings are all other details. So better to back up your phone either in iCloud or in another device or external hard disk or in MacBook daily to have your latest data. But especially if you have taken photos or installed apps. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.